Hello everyone, let me introduce the theme of the Jetpack Compose. When we build an app, we have to use different colors for the UI, but normally we don't need to define the UI colors by ourselves, but it can be provided by the Material 3 on theme builder. It can provide a series of colors that can be applied to the to the app. So it will be a good family of the colors. So developer should not does not need to consider the details. So let me show. In every app, we should have a UI theme directories which contains the same uh, files. But normally, when you create a template of the app, it just provide very simple color themes inside. So if you are not satisfied with these colors, for example, if you when you look at the preview, you don't like it, you can change it. But how can you change it? There are two ways. One way to use the uh, dynamic theme. This dynamic theme just use the device theme. It's wallpaper color. Get all the color from your web wallpaper and use it to apply it to the UI. Another way is to use the theme builder that could to create the theme by yourself. Let me introduce the theme builder. So when you look at here, material design has a material theme builder. This web page, you can customize all the colors in the app. So first, when you need to open this web page, and then in the web page, you can see here there's some samples of these colors look and feel currently. All the buttons and the primary color, secondary color, tertiary, tertiary color, area, background, etc. So this the above is the light theme, that the corresponding dark theme. Yes, it's just if your dark theme looks like this, then your or if your light theme looks like this, then your dark theme scheme will look like this kind of. So it would be automatically defined by this builder. What you want me to do is you need to click on the left the primary icon. When you click this icon, there's a Windows pop-up that is named HCT color picker. So you can adjust these bars to change the color. You can see when I change the color, the background of this sample also change the color, also change the foreground color, also change and the chroma and the tone, etc. The three are all can be customized, so you can see the color becomes different. So you can, after you adjust it, you just close it, and you can check if it is what do you like, and if it is, you can export it to the same .kt like Jetpack Compose. You can export it. Okay, it will be download to the uh, zip. So when you open it, and you can open it, there's a UI photo saying okay, there are two files inside. So you can copy these two files into the Android Studio to replace the two color.kt and stain.kt to replace the content on and will, these color themes will be applied to the to your app. But the only thing you need be to pay pay attention is mm, the package name should be changed by yourself because you have your own package name and both have the problem. And another one is in the same .kt, there's a composable function. Its name should be changed to your app, your same name if you would like. Then everything is done. So look at it here. This does not use the dynamic color. It's the dynamic color is false. So that means we are using the mm, customized thing. So when you are calling this work thing, like here, we are calling the work thing in the where's work thing? Yeah, the main activity that the work thing. Work thing we didn't provide any parameters here, so it will use the default ones. It means the dynamic theme is closed, is false. So the theme will apply, the customized theme will be applied. So that's what you need to do. Okay. Another thing is that you can look at it in the here. That's a shape.kt, which include the shapes for the UI component. You can you can look at this picture preview. On the left, there's a clip, and the dog picture is inside the circle. So how can you do that? It's originally not that this. It's just a square. So when you want to apply to this, you have to use a shape. Small shape is round corner shape with 50 that means it's totally wrong. If it is 10, it will be and round corner means if the all the corner are round or part of the corner are wrong. So it's 1 to 50. 50 is 100%, 0 is 0%. So we can have, for example, can have small ones, medium ones. For example, it's um, top end, this corner top end be cut, bottom start be cut, and this is the size to be cut. So how to use it? We can look at the main activity. We have an image. We have an image that it is the dog icon. This is the icon. Dog icon. Dog icon has an image. Has image. This image has a add a clip modifier. In the modifier, add a clip. This clip includes with parameter material theme, shapes small. Material theme, shape small. So I'm using the small ones. Use the small ones, and then I use, for example, if I commit it, or at the same time commit it, we add, you can see what happened. Before I use it, it would be kind of different. Still loading. Okay, so at the previous way, it's like this one, like this one, like this one, like this one. Okay, so when I apply for the clip in the modifier, delete the, we can I can refresh the picture. It's loading. Okay, you can see there's a circle around it, circle, but because the picture was too small, so you can see this picture that looks this is wrong, but this looks like it cannot fit all the space of the circle. So the other thing is you need to do is to add the content scale crop. If you add this one, it will fit all the circle with this picture, so make it more beautiful. Okay, let's see. Okay, after this crops, then everything looks good, perfect. Another thing is the card. When you look at the card, you can see that it has cut the bottom left corner and top right corner with different size. So, but here in our card, it didn't provide anything in the modifier. But why added here? Because we have defined the shape medium as card corner shape. This medium will be applied to the card uh, dynamically because the card itself is using the shape that is the medium. So we need to go into the code. But the way I can prove it we can if we commit this line and refresh. Look at here. Yeah, if you use the default mm, card shape as their mm, original ones, so you can see that. But you can definitely override it, but you don't need to add it to the in the code. It will be applied directly. So when you look at it, card corner, but if you run corner, it also can work. Look at here, up to date, and when I run corner, okay, I replaced with round corner shape with different size. You can look at the main. Okay, it will be round corner. So looks like this is looks good. So why this shape has been applied? Because when you look at the theme at the end of this function, there's a shape. In the material theme function, it contains a shape parameter which is transferring the shapes as input. So here the shape is this one. It's exactly this one that we defined. So finally, it will use this shaped medium or small into the application. So if you in the material theme, if you comment this line, so then when you look at the activity preview, here everything you defined in the shape will not be applied. This is the default one that the app used. But if you add it and apply it, then this shape will be applied to the app as you want it. Yeah, look at here.